Hi, I'm Jessica Barmer from Clipperman. I'm now going to show you how to remove, clean and change your blades on each style of clipper that we have available. So we're going to start with the crest. To remove, simply pull back and lift off. The jester and the jewel, snap down and away. And then to remove your large blades, unscrew the tension nut until it comes loose. Be careful not to lose the nut, spring and bolt. Then lift off and away. Now we've removed all of the blades, we should clean them. So using our Clipperman Clipper Blade Wash Spray, we take the spray, spray it all over, all through the moving parts. It's also a good opportunity to spray inside the moving parts of all the machines. Okay, then it would be good to get a piece of tissue or a rag and to wipe off the blades so that we remove any greases left behind. Okay, next we're going to add a little bit of oil to each. We can either do that with the spray or with a dripper bottle. It's your preference. So starting with the spray, I'll spray a little bit onto each blade and a little bit onto the moving parts. Make sure you do both sides and both pieces of the blades. Once everything is lubricated, we're going to put them all back together. So starting with the crest, we're going to slide back onto that lever and snap back. The jester, we're going to hook the plastic insert into the clipper trimmer head and we're going to snap back. And then with the large one, we're going to place the cutter onto these two plastic pins and the roller so that the ground side is up. And then we're going to take the comb and face ground side down over the blade locator pins, pin down through the top, spring on, which may well be inside the nut, sometimes is normal, onto there and screw down. Then we're going to add a little bit more oil through the tension nut hole behind, along all the moving parts, for all of the products down the sides and along the top. Then if we have any stray hairs still left in the product, we can take the cleaning brushes and simply brush them out. The machine is now fit for purpose. The one thing I now need to show you is how to tension your blades correctly. To do this, I would start with the blades relatively loose. So there is a tension, but it's quite a far way to the left. You can turn it down a long way. So let's turn the product on and tighten until you hear that change in pitch. Once more for you, so you can hear the noise. Start loose. There. That product will now be ready to cut through the horse's hair and to perform.